Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of Bitcoin ownership, self-custody. Why is it crucial? How does it work? And what tools should you use to take full control of your Bitcoin? Stick around and let's break it down. So, what is self custody? Self custody means you and only you control your Bitcoin. No banks, no exchanges, no intermediaries. When you buy Bitcoin on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, they hold your private keys. These keys are what gives you access to your Bitcoin. If you don't control the keys, you don't control the Bitcoin. As we've seen with companies like FTX, trusting exchanges can be risky. Self-custody ensures that your Bitcoin is yours to keep no matter what happens to these third-party companies or governments. So, how do Bitcoin transactions work? To understand self-custody, let's take a look at how Bitcoin works. Bitcoin uses public and private key cryptography. Here's a simplified explanation. Your public key is like your email address. It's where people send Bitcoin to you. And your private key is like your password. It proves you own the Bitcoin and allows you to spend it. When you make a transaction, your private key is used to create a digital signature. This signature is broadcast to the Bitcoin network, where nodes verify its authenticity using your public key. What's amazing is that this entire process ensures security without requiring a central authority like a bank. Why exchanges are risky. When you keep your Bitcoin on an exchange, the exchange holds your private keys. This creates a single point of failure. If the exchange is hacked, mismanages funds, or gets shut down, your Bitcoin is at risk. In fact, over $2 billion worth of Bitcoin has been lost to exchange failures and hacks since Bitcoin's inception. Self-custody eliminates this risk because no one but you has access to your private keys. How to custody your Bitcoin. There's different ways to self-custody Bitcoin, but not all options are created equal. You have mobile hot wallets. Apps like BitKit let you control your private keys and make transactions easily. However, because they're connected to the internet, they're less secure than other options. Then you have hardware wallets, which are cold storage devices like Ledger or Trezor to store your private keys offline, making them inaccessible to hackers. Even if someone steals your hardware wallet, your funds remain safe without the recovery phrase. Cold storage is the most secure way to hold Bitcoin, especially for long-term savings. Then you have exchanges. Just make sure you exercise with caution. If you choose to keep your Bitcoin on an exchange, it's critical to select one that provides proof of reserves to verify client funds are fully backed. River is one of the most trusted Bitcoin-only exchanges that offers full proof of reserves, ensuring your Bitcoin is secure and not lent out to someone else. While exchanges provide convenience, remember, not your keys, not your coins. Self-custody is the safest way to hold Bitcoin. So choose the option that works best for your goals, but self-custody should always be your end game for true financial sovereignty. And when you set up a wallet, you'll receive a recovery phrase, usually 12 or 24 words. This phrase is the ultimate backup for your Bitcoin. Make sure you safeguard your recovery phrase, write it down on a paper or engrave it into metal, store it in a secure location like a fireproof safe. Never store it digitally like on a note-taking app or in email, and avoid sharing it with anyone. The power of cold storage. With a hardware wallet, your Bitcoin is stored in cold storage, completely offline. This means even if your computer is hacked, your private keys are safe. You don't need to be connected to the internet to access your Bitcoin when your keys are in cold storage. Cold storage is the gold standard for Bitcoin security and is highly recommended for anyone holding a significant amount of Bitcoin. Why self-custody empowers you. Self-custody isn't just about security, it's about freedom. By holding your own keys, you're embracing Bitcoin's ethos of self-sovereignty. No one can freeze your account, block your transactions, or take your Bitcoin away. You have full control. In a world where financial institutions can be compromised or controlled, self-custody is a revolutionary act of independence. If you're ready to take control of your Bitcoin, here are some tools to help you get started. River Financial is the most trusted Bitcoin-only exchange. It offers full proof of reserves, ensuring your Bitcoin is secure and not lent out. You can use the Fold app to earn Bitcoin cashback on everyday purchases. Get 20,000 sats for free using my referral link when you make your first purchase. You can use the Strike app to buy and send Bitcoin easily. Use my referral link for reduced fees. You can use Ledger to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. Use my referral link below. Start small, stay consistent, and secure your financial future with Bitcoin. Self-custody is the cornerstone of Bitcoin ownership. It's not just about keeping your Bitcoin safe, it's about taking control of your financial destiny. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.